everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do Saturday Morning Crafts, hosted by Betty, who goes by Scrap Passion 01, and Markeisha, who goes by Sweet Peppery Treasures, and a host of other ladies in this collaboration. So this morning I am coming on to share with you my projects and the dies I used to make those projects. So I used this die right here along with this and this die. I made several projects as well as finish up some projects. This one, this one, this one, this one, as well as this one, this large doily right here, these nesting scallop circles, the Sweet Peony by Heartfelt Creations, small and large, the stamps as well, and the leafy accents and the dies as well. I forgot to get the dies, and also the shaping mold for that. So I'll just go over really quickly the projects that I finished. So I made this card and I finished it. I forgot to bring the coffee dye that I used, but I just shadowed it with some silver and black. So there's that one. I finished this one by adding the Sending Love sentiment on this one, really pretty. I finished this one by adding a bow, really pretty on this one. I really loved how that turned out. I finished this card. I added the doily, popped it up, and added a sentiment, Sending Love. And then for my giveaway, I did some flower packaging. This is where I added the treat bag topper, and I packaged up some flowers where I used the Sweet Peony small dies, and then I cut out some leaves for the back. That's how I decorated it. And then here's the larger ones, and then I added some on the back. And then here's another color, and added one on the back. Okay, so those are all my projects. I hope you were inspired. Hope you will join the other ladies in this collaboration and see what they've created today. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.